In today's video, we will make Italian buns. The ingredients are 3 types of bell peppers, tomato, onion, jalapenos, olives. We have seasonings like chili flakes, mixed herbs and oregano. We have cheese and pizza and pasta sauce. First step would be to make the buns hollow. I've already made them hollow so that we would be able to fill the stuffing in it. To make the stuffing, we will take all these vegetables and add them to this bowl. Tomato, so now that we have added all the vegetables, we are going to add the pizza and pasta sauce. You know when sometimes you have Pav Bhaji buns left at your home and you don't know what to do with them? Well, this is a great recipe, so I do insist that you should try this at home, and it turns out great, you know. So I'm just gonna take the last bits of pizza and pasta sauce from this box. I don't want to waste. Okay, so I have all the sauce here, and I'm gonna keep this here. Okay, keep this. I'm just gonna wipe it off. Okay, now we're gonna take and mix this all. Really mixing it well so that every piece of vegetable has some coating of sauce in it. Now we're gonna add some cheese. I have already grated the cheese. This is mozzarella. Okay. I hope you guys like mozzarella. I do love cheese, and especially this. Okay, giving it a good mix that the cheese also mixes very well with all the other vegetables. Now we're gonna fill the stuffing into these buns. Again, taking the small spoon and then, adding it little by little. You can take the help of your fingers to, push them inside nicely. Now don't fill the stuffing till top, okay? Like this one. I have just filled it till half. I'm gonna add some mozzarella in this. Okay, to make this extra cheesy, I'm gonna add some mozzarella and now fill it with this once again. Again, not till the top. Just a little, space left. And again some mozzarella. cheese, I'm going to use my air fryer. So you can also use your oven. I'm going to fill rest of these also. Some mozzarella cheese. You know, cheese makes everything better. And some filling again. Not till the top. Some cheese. Yes. So now we have done 2. The last one. This is going to be the first recipe on my YouTube channel, so I do hope it goes great. Okay, and cheese, some filling again. Enough. My hands are all messy right now. Okay, and a little more cheese, this one too. Okay, now we're gonna add some olives on top. These are black olives. You can add the green olives as well. Push them down a bit. Okay. We have one piece. We'll take one piece of jalapeno as well. If you don't want it to be spicy, you can avoid using the jalapenos. The seasoning, mixed herbs, some oregano, just because my hands are a bit wet, the seasoning is just sticking to my hand. It is a bit messy. Okay, so here we are. We have filled all these with all the things that would make a good filling. Now I'm going to put these in the air fryer for almost 5 to 10 minutes and let them bake completely, and then I'll show you the result. So I'll see you in 5 to 10 minutes. So they turned out to be great. I baked them for almost 4 to 5 minutes at 180 degrees in my air fryer. I had also added some more cheese on top to make them even more cheesier. So thank you so much guys for watching. If you like this recipe, then please do like, subscribe, share and comment. Bye and have a nice day.